Hey guys, NorthForty here. Got some fireworks for you today. I've been working on the Veline color stars that Skylighter sells. They sell a kit. You get everything you need to make the 4 different colors and a variety of other colors. I got orange, red, and green, and blue. Just, under 2-inch shells. Kind of short and small. I'm happy making those. So in case you guys ever wondered on how to make those or how they turn out, you'll see them. So, and we've got a few rockets for you. I got some black powder rockets. One of them's got tiger tail shells in it, so, and the other ones have 5 grams of flash powder in there, so a nice little salute. And if you want to stick around, I'll shoot some more off for you. Some miscellaneous stuff. I got some glitter ones. I got some Hummers. Those are always fun. Those are black powder Hummers. There's the mystery shell. Nothing in that one. And we got some Christmas ones. We got red and green. And we got some blue glitter. And a couple tiger tail shells. So stick around. Hope you enjoy the show. Okay guys, it's finally dark enough. We can load them shells up in there. Let's see, what do we want to do first? Why don't we do red first? Then we'll do green. And then we'll do orange. And blue. Alright, let's light it and see how she goes here. Not quite dark enough yet, pretty close. There we go. That was the red one, that's not too bad. The Veline color star system is pretty easy to make too. Just like making tiger tail shells, or stars I should say. You mix all the ingredients together, you sift them through the screen, wet them down, roll them out and cut them. Let's fire it off and see what happens. There she goes. Hey, that's not a bad green. Here we go. It's kind of a reddish orange, but it's not too bad. Okay, last but not least, we got the blue. I heard it's kind of a washed out blue, but I'll take it. I've always wanted to make the blue star. It's not too hard to make. Okay, let's get back to a safe spot and see if we can capture this baby. Yeah, it's not too washed out, it's more of a purple blue, but I'll take it. Okay guys, let's do a black powder rocket with a flashbang on the end, and then we'll do the black powder rocket with the tiger tail shell firework on the tip. Okay. See how she goes. Boy, that was fast. I barely got a chance to catch that one. Well, let's try the one with the tiger tail shells. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Nice and high. I like that. Okay guys, if you want to stick around, we got some more fireworks here. Let's to my next favorite one, Hummers. There she goes. And if I remember correctly, this should be the blue glitter. Hey, that's real pretty. Red and green. Merry Christmas. With a low flyer. And it's a tiger tail. Okay, time for our finale, if you want to call it that. 3-shell finale. 2 tiger tails and an orange. Should be a nice contrast. Not a bad finale. Let's hear it from the crowd. All right. In case it rains tonight, put our covers on there. And we must have put our stand away because we're going to be doing some shooting tomorrow. Don't want to hit one of my firework tubes. Well, I hope that was enjoyable, guys. In front of the generator, under the hood of the camper. Well, thanks for watching, guys. You guys take care. This is the North 40 signing out.